we're visiting from New Jersey, actually. Thank you for it. You as well, sir. Hey, I like your hat. My pleasure. Hello, everyone. Where are you headed to?
8. Thank you.
My pleasure.
How's it going?
Yeah, you too, bud. Hello, everyone. We are here today in the elevator at the Hilton Hotel at Palm Beach Airport, or near Palm Beach Airport, in West Palm Beach, Florida. Classic Loveland. I would have to assume this is notice. Yeah, the elevator's kind of busy. So to make up for the busy elevator, just take a quick look in the room. They should have just cleaned it today. So we'll see. We're in 702. Ooh, look at that. Staying in a double queen room. Here's the bathroom. And they went ahead and replaced the towels. That's okay. I was hoping they would leave them be. Here for the Student Action Summit at Turning Point USA, where we are exposing CNN. Thanks Project Veritas for that. And we're freeing the first. Slept on this last night. It felt pretty good. So yeah, that's a look in the room. Thanks for watching, y'all.